Right, just a quick video today about your different mortars. If you look in the instructions, what you get with your Pnu-Point mortar gun, in there it shows you all you need to know about your mortar consistencies and your different mixes. Today I'm just going to do a sand and cement mix. I'm not putting hydrated lime in it or anything. I'm not doing anything with it, so let's get into it. In this bucket I've just got some water with a little bit of plasticizer in it, just to help your mortar become a bit creamy, a bit more fluid. So I'm just going to do a 4-in-1 mix. You're always better using some sort of gauge or container so it keeps consistency in your mix, which then gives you consistency on your dry pointing when you're finished. To get the best consistency, you're better off using a barrel mixer if possible. However, when you're working at people's homes, you don't always have an opportunity or the space to use a barrel mixer. A lot of people use a paddle mixer. They're great, you just make sure that it's well mixed, that's all. So, that's about the consistency you're trying to aim for, because you want it to flow through the machine nice and smooth. You want no lumps, don't want to be too stiff, and you don't want to be too wet. Nice and soft, nice and creamy. You might say it's a slightly soft bricklaying mix.